I fortunately met Mr. Lee through a social event, and I was suggested by him to join the Harbour School and especially its sustainability program. And we've been working with the help of a student called Misha for more than 7 weeks around to create this piece. So with different materials, bamboo, wood, fish nets, plastic, we gather all these materials to give a sense of poetry because I wanted to suggest the idea of a boat rather than a boat himself. So the idea is to share with the community and to create conversation, especially intergenerational conversation, to gather good memories of the sea, of the experience around the sea, around the harbour for instance, and to create those little pieces so that we can archive those memories, capture them, have people to share them, and eventually have them put in the club nets and to create like a memoria, an archive of those good memories of the sea.